Okay, my last recording was a disaster, but we'll put that aside. We have a 50k top step combine, and for my analysis pre-market, I lost my recording, but SMT right here at the highs. We also took out a high right here, swept the liquidity, came down, and at the time, it was OTE plus premium. Came down, created the fair value gap, filled the gap, tapped into the order block, went inside of OTE, which could have been an amazing short, like right here off the OTE, 20 handles, draw of liquidity, draw on liquidity. That's our short. And I was watching it just slowly burn before my eyes. But it's whatever. We were also inside of a volume imbalance, higher time frame. So that was more of like an A plus setup to me, but we'll find another one eventually. But right now we're displacing through this low. We want to go lower. We're starting to revert to the sell side of the curve because right here, buy side of the curve, sell side of the curve. I don't think I need to draw that out for you though. But we're about to take out this low. This could all be low resistance liquidity, so we could just dump through this, come down, hit this breaker, come back up, because we do have equal lows right down here. Where's it? Oh, okay. Shoot. Alright, let's see what happens. Oh, look at that. We are inside of the silver bullet. Let's find a fair value gap on the 5-minute to trade. Ideally, I want it to be short, because look at how we displaced past this. If we don't sweep this, like without a market structure shift, stuff like that, retracement, then I probably won't take it. Let me address the elephant in the room. First day being a high school dropout, it went rough. I lost everything. But on the bright side, I'm going to be on the charts, backtesting, studying for maybe, how long? 13, 14 hours a day until I sleep. So I wake up, eat, sleep. I'm skipping the gym to trade too. I'm just going to keep doing this until maybe I'm 18. Daily, I'll upload my analysis, recap, live trading, maybe some backtesting content too. Educational videos, because I know I'm not the only one in this situation. But we'll see. Let me show you guys something. Right here, standard deviation, you can use the projections right here. Look at this. We have a standard deviation projection to predict where we're gonna go, come up, take this out, and then we start heading for this final level. So now that we hit this, we could potentially reverse, and that's what I'm thinking, because next low is right here and the rest looks like low resistance liquidity. But if we decide to take all of that out, then I guess we're just going to be chopping around on higher time frames. What was this? I'll just say sell side liquidity. Honestly though, these equal lows, they look pretty appetizing for this, for price to come down, plus this low resistance. I'll mark it out so you guys can see. And I'm removing this because we don't need that. That looks funky. There we go. If you look at that, we created a fair value gap. Now, let's mark this out real quick. I might want to take a trade off the equilibrium, but with how bearish we look and everything, we're probably just going to tap into it, continue lower. But I want to see if we can get a retracement first, because I really don't like taking trades when we're not inside of a discount or premium of the respective fair value gap. You know what I mean? So we would have to come up to here if I want to trade. I want to see a trade up into the fair value gap, then look for order flow to support a displacement into sell side later. What I was outlining in the live stream, but you were unable to hear me. and then maybe 47, 26, what the, 24 minutes later, come up, mohawks, straight into this gap, boom, straight down, cherry picked, right? So, gives you hope. And we're back. This is the fair value gap ICT was talking about, by the way. This one right here. And why would he do that? Let me go through this. Okay. Airflow to support a displacement to sell side later. Oh. Oh, okay. Crazy. It just dawned on me. First fair value gap is the one that we want to take for the silver bullet. First 5 minute fair value gap regardless, because we're only targeting like 40 handles out of it. So that's the last. So I guess I will enter right here 20 handle, 4 mini microcons, 4 microcons, 40, 30, 40, and just leave it. I'm not gonna mess with it. If we don't get tagged in, good, because I don't like this anyways. But silver bullet rules. That's the last sell. There we go. Risking 160 to earn like 320. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, 320. There we go. Now let's see what happens. Took out this side, came down, retraced, targeted this low right here, entered. This is 40 handles, by the way, a little bit more. Right here, targeted this low, entered, came down, tapped into it, came straight up, pumped. So if I got a little bit greedy like I was thinking, want to take it this low, I would have been obliterated. Oh, look at that. I might get tagged in after all. Oh. Oh. I don't think we're gonna get tagged in. What was that? Oh my god! Is that the execute? Holy moly! Yeah, consequent approach one. Expected and nice. Internal fair value gap right here. Highs right here that we invalidated. Took these out. So now we have some more liquidity to play around with. Lows. Equal lows actually that we could take out, could return to. So you know what I'm gonna do. Being an emotional trader, that's what I do. But my only issue is we have 2 fair value gaps right here. I want to see how we react off these. I don't know breaker blocks yet, so let's see. Because I'm on the, I'll show you this part of core content. So hold up. Not this.
All right, folks, welcome back.
Okay, enough of that. Pretty sure this would be a breaker though, right up here. This would be a bullish breaker, which isn't good for me because apparently they're the strongest in the strongest algorithmic pattern in the market.